back to another Disney vlog. And today is pretty exciting because today we're going to be visiting Animal Kingdom today. But we're doing it for two reasons. One, we're going to see the new Zootopia show. And I explained it in the last vlog. The reason I never got to see the Zootopia show since it opened was because I was already had other Disney commitments, like being out of Disneyland and then going to Epcot a couple times because of the Festival of the Holidays. And then a couple weeks ago was back at Epcot because of the Festival of the Arts. But today is the day I'm gonna see it. The second reason I'm also going to Animal Kingdom was because I had to say goodbye to an attraction that's gonna be shutting down pretty soon because it's gonna be rethemed. And that ride is Dinosaurs. This is actually the last weekend it's gonna be operating before it gets rethemed into Indiana Jones. So let's get this journey going and let's go to Animal Kingdom.
And then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked.
Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in, use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Goodbye, dinosaurs. It was fun while it lasted. You hold so many great memories, but now I'm ready for Indiana Jones to come and take over. Went ahead into this dinosaur barn next to Restaurantosaurus to get one last drink before it gets rethemed. And for the last drink here, I got Tequilasaurus. It was good. I mean, not perfect, but alright. Can't wait for the new land to open. Hi, Kevin. Hi, Kevin. Yeah. Good pose, Kevin. Yeah. Aw.
of nature. Together strong like mother. Why snowflakes on fire?
Big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, wanna grab a leg?
Detective Thompson, while investigating.
Well, I'm sure she's fine. Review the witnesses.
I can help you out. Nibbles, we need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub. Hey, Bub.
Oh!
Hey, Bub.
Oh my gosh!
So you did this?
Seriously? It's locked with wool.
In my face. Hey, move you big buffalo. Whoa, gee, go.
Wow.
But you said you were going to a security conference.
I'm undercover.
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Saving together, Daisy.
Hey, want to share your inner visions?
Oh, no thanks.
I think his head is a lot of fun, as you should see him.
Wait.
Oh, Miss Howler! Together Day is ruined!
Really? Yeah!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Hello, Elder.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, shit.
Oh, that's a cute little hat. Very nice. We got it. my home. As you can tell by now, I'm in a totally different space. If you remember seeing in the last vlog, I explained I'm in the process of moving, and this is the room I'm gonna be temporarily gonna be staying for a bit before I find a place of my own. But today was actually a pretty decent day. For the Zootopia show, the show was actually pretty good. I mean, I enjoyed every second of it. I enjoyed a few scenes. They did good with the effects that they had when it was originally It's Tough to Be a Bug, and they put that into good use. I wasn't a total fan of the Zootopia movie, and I haven't had a chance to see the second one yet, but overall, I think that this show is pretty good. And of course, I'm sad to see Dinosaurs going extinct pretty soon. I'm glad we have to ride that first thing, because I know that because it's the last week, there's gonna be tons of people gonna want a chance to ride it before it starts shutting down. And it's a good thing, because when their good time got through okay, And by the time I hit like 12 o'clock or so, I heard it was like 100-minute wait, like a little over 100. I have such good memories on that ride. And if you remember from a past Animal Kingdom vlog last year, then you probably remember that I used to do Disney commercials back in the day. And one of the commercials I was supposed to do was the Dinosaur ride. It's just funny that I rode that ride like 8 times just to get good shots. One of them being having the lights on. That was a good chance I get to see what the dinosaurs are like with the lights on. And even though like people around me got sick of that ride, I still enjoy it either way. Even though I'm sad to see dinosaurs go, I'm so excited for Indiana Jones. Because you know I rode the ride at Disneyland, and I know it's similar to the dinosaur ride. So I got to see the full experience what the Indiana Jones ride is like. But I know this is not going to be Temple of the Forbidden Eye. I know this is going to be a completely different story to fit within the tropical South America theme land in Animal Kingdom. I am stoked to see the Indiana Jones ride come into Animal Kingdom and see what the new adventure is going to be like this time around. But anyways, I gotta get going. I still have to pack a few things before I start to move. The next time I'll be at Disney, we'll be going back to Epcot and continue doing Festival of the Arts. Maybe I didn't get a chance to do some stuff I didn't do the last time I was there. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you all at Epcot.